If you're getting the voices38.dll was not loaded, exiting. Error. While launching your game, this guide will walk you through the most effective ways to fix it. Although this error is commonly reported in 007 First Light, the same solutions can also work for many other PC games that display the voices38.dll error. Let's get started. The first thing you should check is whether Windows Security has quarantined the missing DLL file. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and open Windows Security. Next, click Virus and Threat Protection, then open Protection History. Here you'll find a list of files that Windows Defender has recently blocked or quarantined. Go through each item carefully and look for anything related to your game or the voices38.dll file. If you find it, click the item and choose Restore or allow to return the file to its original location. If you don't see it immediately, continue checking the remaining entries until you've reviewed the entire list. Once you've restored the file, or even if it wasn't listed, the next step is to prevent Windows Security from removing it again. Go back to Virus and Threat Protection, then click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and then select your game's installation folder. Adding the game folder as an exclusion prevents Windows Defender from quarantining important game files in the future. After doing this, try launching the game again. If the error still appears, another setting worth checking is Smart App Control. Open the Windows search bar and search for Smart App Control. Open the Settings page, and if it's enabled, turn it off. After disabling it, restart your computer and launch the game again. If the problem continues, it's possible that the game files are already damaged or incomplete. In that case, uninstall the game and install it again. Before launching the game after reinstalling, make sure you've already added the game folder to the Windows Defender exclusion list, so the files won't be quarantined again. Finally, if you are using a third-party antivirus program, such as Kaspersky, Avast, AVG, or any similar security software, try temporarily disabling it or adding your game folder to its exclusion list. Some antivirus programs can mistakenly block DLL files required for the game to launch properly. After completing these steps, launch the game again and check whether the voices38.dll was not loaded error has been resolved. Hopefully this guide helped you fix the issue. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel,